Looking in the master head under the sink, the cabinet under the sink, you can see a P-trap for the sink, which is great. A lot of boats may not have P-traps. This boat does. That's terrific in case you drop a ring or an earring. But the point I want to show you here are the blue and red hoses. Of course, blue is cold water, red is hot water. And you can see the manifolding system. This here is the top one is the washer, the galley sink, the head shower, the head sink, and on down and down and down. We've got the toilet, freshwater flush toilet. And then we've got all of these different labels with these on and off knobs right here. So we've got a wonderful freshwater distribution system that's easy to control. You can turn them on and off if you need to service the toilet, service the sink, or service the shower. So when you're buying a boat, look for these things. These are value added, very nice features to have. So when you have to do any service, you don't need to turn the whole boat water system off, just the individual system that you're working on. If you have any questions about boats, toilets, black water, gray water, or bilge water, just remember, ask Captain Chris.